Hello friends, in this video I want to show you a way by which you can quickly copy items between different layers, which can come in very useful in many situations. So in this project we have no layers currently, so I'm going to create two empty layers. We can either go up here and click on the new shapefile layer command, or I'm just going to press my keyboard shortcut Ctrl and N. For a name I'm just going to call this layer 1, and geometry type I'll set to line string. It can be also any of the other ones. With that done, I'm going to press OK and click on yes to override any existing files by that name, and then also create a second layer just in the same way. Now I'm going to select layer 1 and toggle on the editing button, which is this pencil up here. And then I'm going to click on the add line features command and just draw out a bunch of shapes in this layer just by left clicking with the mouse button. Then I'm going to right click to accept the shape and press OK. I'm going to repeat this and draw a couple of more shapes. And with that done, we can toggle out of the editing of this layer. If we want to move any of these features to layer 2, we can simply select them and then copy and paste them onto the new layer. So to do that, I'm going to click on the select features by area tool here in the toolbar, and then just drag out a selection marquee to select this shape. Then I'm going to press Ctrl C, and then I'm going to select layer 2. And if I press Ctrl and V, you can see it's going to give us an error saying the current layer is not editable. So we can't copy shapes between layers if the layer that we're copying to has editing toggled off. So we have to first of all toggle on the editing, and then I'm going to press Ctrl V again. And now I can see one feature was pasted onto this layer. So if I turn off layer 1, we can see that we only have this shape now on layer 2. You can also copy multiple shapes at the same time. So if we go back to layer 1, we can select these two shapes again with the select features by area tool, press Ctrl and C, select the layer 2, which is editable, and press Ctrl and V. And we can see two features were pasted. So the layer that you're copying from does not have to have editing toggled on, but the layer you're copying to has to have it on. Another thing to mention is that the features that you're copying are also going to have their attributes transferred over. So if any of these shapes had any special attributes, they will be transferred over to layer 2 as well. You can also cut and paste shapes between layers, but in that case, the layer that you're cutting from should also have the editing toggled on. Currently, I deleted all of the shapes from these layers, so I'm going to toggle on the editing for layer 1 and again draw out a shape. Then I'm going to toggle off the editing and select this shape, press Ctrl and X on the keyboard, and you can see it's going to say that the current layer is not editable, so it can't cut the shape from this layer. But if I toggle on the editing and then press Ctrl and X, you can see the shape is going to disappear. Then we're going to go to layer 2, toggle on the editing there as well, and press Ctrl and V. You can see the shape is going to be pasted there. So the shape now only exists in layer 2. And with that done, this is it for this video. I hope this tip has been useful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.